So here I am in the blizzard of worst snowstorm here on January 25th in Manhattan, New York City. I am on Upper East Side. Here you can see these streets are completely covered. The first avenue is not plowed yet, I think, so it's difficult to cross. Here is this car struggling to get out. I'll pick up some food, but yeah, it's getting progressively worse. I'm myself just in the corner of 78th Street. There's a lot of snow here. Probably over a foot has fallen. When the snow is moved, it's even more than that. Look at this car trying to get out. Yeah, it moved out fine.